Hello girls, welcome to my channel World of Beauty. So in today's video I will share step-by-step makeup tutorial for soft glam, and it's all drugstore and affordable. So I will share my makeup tutorial for the soft glam. Let's start this video. So first I'm gonna use this eye cream. You need to make sure that your under eyes are well prepped and hydrated, otherwise your concealer gonna look dry and it's gonna be creasing around your eyes. And then you can use any cream toner that you have. I'm using this Zepiderm cream toner. I got this in a PR package. You can take a small amount on your hands and then just apply on your face in a dabbing motion. You can also apply this lip balm so your lips are hydrated and your lipstick application looks flawless. So after the cream toner you can use any serum that you have, I have these two. I will go with the Glow Recipe Serum for today. It gives your skin a nice glow and a nice base for your makeup. Then you can apply any moisturizer that you have. I'm using Marcel Moisture Cream with hyaluronic acid on my face. Take some amount. So I will use this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer for my eye makeup base. Powder to lock your eye base. And then you can take a transition shade to do your eye makeup. Then I took a chocolatey shade and spread it over my eyelid area like this in round motions. I'm taking a shimmer shade and applying in the center of my eyelid. Curling my eyelashes with this eyelash curler. And then you can apply any mascara. I'm using this Essence Dark Brown eyelash mascara. Goes around the mouth area, or you can also cover the acne scars. To blend out the concealer with the brush or beauty blender, just gently dab on your face instead of swiping. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 Hours Wear Foundation. So after applying the foundation, you can go with cream or liquid products. I'm using Morphe bronzer on my cheeks and my nose. Applying the L'Oreal Lumi liquid blush. It's in shade 625 Glowy Gold Pink. You can look at the shade. Such a beautiful pink liquid blush. My upper cheekbones. Before setting your eyes with the powder, make sure you blend your under eyes with the sponge. So now we can use our powder, bronzer or contour, and then powder blush on our face to lock in our cream or liquid blush products. Maybelline City Bronzer. Milani in shade Luminoso blush brush. I'm using Milani setting spray to set my makeup. And now we can do our eyebrows. So I'm using this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in dark brown shade. So for the lip combo for today, I'm using the e.l.f. lip liner in the shade Spill the Tea and Maybelline lip gloss in shade Gummy Bear. Let's try it out and how it looks on my face. And this lip gloss.